I personally will never offer anything like that you will message via WhatsApp or Telegram, put your money there and easily you can make lots of money. The difference with the scams is they guarantee it. Anytime that you get a guaranteed amount of money on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a yearly basis, anytime you see a return like that, please be wary already. Please stay away from it. Hey guys, so in this video, I want to talk about cryptocurrency market scams. So please do note this, the heart and the goal of me making this video is to help you and to protect you, especially if you're investing your hard-earned money, especially if you're investing money that the main goal and intent of it is something that you will use for a future goal. It's very, very prudent and it's very important that you get to protect it by investing it the right way. You get to protect it so that you invest it into something that you know will be there at the time that you need it, that it will be there at the time when that financial goal starts to come up. Scams are not just in the cryptocurrency market. We've seen different types of scams. We've seen different forms. We've seen different types of iterations of it using different types of fronts, posing as a legitimate business or posing as an investment company, and using the cryptocurrency market, using Bitcoin, using whatever item connected to cryptocurrencies is nothing new. So please do remember this, that scams happen because there are actually people with ill intent to begin with. Maybe they didn't really study the investment very well, or they rushed into it, or it was something that they did it kakisama lang din sila. That's why it's very, very important that when you start investing, that you do your own due diligence and then you study very, very well. There's a lot of scams going on in the cryptocurrency market space, primarily because it's so new, primarily because a lot of people don't understand it, primarily because when people put Bitcoin in the forefront and because people don't understand a lot about how Bitcoin is, it's easy for people to be easily swayed. And when placed in conjunction with the ability to make more money by just investing, leaving your money there without doing anything, then a lot of people could easily fall for that. Anytime it feels too good to be true, maybe it is already. But before I continue, I want to start off with this. And kung napapansin nyo sa comment section, there's a lot of people looking like me that have the same profile picture as me and then saying that, okay, just contact this person, contact this master, and then you can easily make money off of Bitcoin. That's easily a scam. Please remember that I personally will never offer anything like that you will message via WhatsApp or Telegram, put your money there and easily you can make lots of money. Anytime it feels so easy, that's already a scam. And also in Facebook, you'll also see that there's people using my profile picture as well, that when they make that profile picture, they're saying free airdrop to the community, or you put 1 Ethereum, we will give you 20 Ethereum as well. That doesn't exist, guys. No one will accept your 1 Ethereum and then give you 20 Ethereum or 40 Ethereum, massively more, without doing anything. I've even seen some in the comment section, okay, we'll give you 25 Bitcoin out of celebration for the community. That doesn't happen. I won't be giving 25 Ethereum. I won't be giving 25 Bitcoin. Or even if you see it from other prominent financial YouTube channel, for sure that's a scam. So please do not fall into that. Especially when they go into the DMs, they might become very, very persuasive. And I realized is that who would fall for that? And that's very, very far from what I'm actually teaching. The fact that hindi sila tumitigil, the fact that you see them over and over every day do it, it means that there might be people still that are falling for the bait. That if out of 10,000 people, they get one, and out of that one, it's a large amount of money, people fall for it. Please be wary about that. It's not something that I would personally do. Next, I've seen a lot of people place their money into what they thought was a cryptocurrency investment. Most of the time, when you put your money into the cryptocurrency space, it should either be via an exchange, or it should either be via a hot wallet, or it should be via either a cold wallet. And majority of those hot wallets and cold wallets also get transacted via an exchange, get transacted also via credit card. Please be very, very careful that you're not sending your money to a personal account or to any other person's account, and then they'll be the one to invest that Bitcoin for you. Please remember, legit exchanges. I always talk about Binance, link in the description below. They're one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. That alone, no, you don't have to take a lot of time to know if it's a scam, if where they're placing the money is already shady. So exchanges, there's a list of exchanges also from Coinbase, Gate.io, Kraken, etc. There's a ton of hot wallets also out there from Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Exodus, and cold wallets from Elipal, Ledger, and also Trezor, which that could be avenues for you also to either store or also enter the cryptocurrency market space. So only transact via legit exchanges. Even in the Philippines, no, you have coins.ph, you also have Blumex, you have PDAX, which are somehow the ones that Filipinos transact with. And please also take the time to research it. Don't just fall for it just because may nagsabi kagad. You always have to cross-check, research, check the app store about the app as well, check also other people's reviews, check your friends if they've fallen for it, not just the person pitching it for you. And please remember, there's a difference in the cryptocurrency market space that you have seen capital appreciation from Dogecoin, from Shiba Inu. We've also seen Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, BNB, VET, Link, and other large altcoins make its run. Then we've also seen S coins like Fox and Pig also make their runs. But please remember, the underlying difference is this. All of those have volatility in it. If you do not sell, there's a big chance that you lose a large amount of money. For people who are into futures also, you can make a lot of money when you leverage, but you can also lose a lot of money. The difference with the scams is they guarantee it. Anytime that you get a guaranteed amount of money on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a yearly basis, majority of what I've seen, the returns are on a daily or weekly or monthly basis that are very, 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 very high. So anytime you see a return like that, please be wary already. Please stay away from it. It's something that has hit so many people, and it has happened not just in the cryptocurrency market space. It has happened in different marketplaces as well. It has happened in different asset classes as well. And to go further also in the cryptocurrency market space, of course, there are a lot of rug pulls as well. You put your money in a certain token and suddenly all of the developers leave with the money, or a certain token or coin that you have gets hacked. Those are possibilities as well. That's why you have to be very, very vigilant in how you deploy your capital towards those tokens and coins. I guess for you to be able also to somehow screen that, the ones with very, very high market capitalization, the ones that have a lot of transactions, the ones that have a lot of institutional buying, are relatively safer from scams also because there's a large amount of due diligence in it. I guess to look at specific coins, just look at if it's audited already. The more measures that have been placed also in the code of that particular coin will make it easier and better already for you. But there are a lot of smaller S coins where rug pulls are very, very evident. So please do take the time to do your due diligence. And I guess I'll just end it with this. This is one of the easiest ways for you to prevent yourself from being scammed as well. Don't give any personal information as much as possible. Email, mobile, your full name, your date of birth, pictures of your ID, pictures of you also, so that you can somehow prevent, because that could be a way also for scammers to gain access to your investments. That could be a way also for scammers to use your identity in order for them to be able to access it. So that's very, very important. And I cannot stress this enough. Your seed phrase, your passwords, as much as possible, try to keep them, try to store them in a way that no one has access to it. Do not show them to people. If you can store them also in a way that it's protected, as much as possible, if you can keep them in a place that doesn't have access to the internet, even better. So please do note this. There will be a lot of scams still in the future. I don't think this will stop. Ever since I was a kid, I've seen different scams in all shapes, sizes, and forms. It's hard to taper the greed of people that every time they earn money, they want to earn more. Or for those people who are not invested, the lure of not doing anything and earning a large amount of money is something that, I don't know, parang is pushing people to get into investments, where when you think about it and you study it logically, it's not something that you would get into. So this is my suggestion, and this is what I've been doing ever since. For whatever investment, every time I feel pressured to get into it, because I think it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, I don't. I'll say this, it's not a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. You will always have an opportunity to to create wealth. You will always have an opportunity to make your money work hard for you. You may miss out on it if it's really legit, but guess what? You will have more opportunities in the future. Every time you're pressured to make a decision, every time you feel cursed, every time that you feel that you must decide quickly right now to invest in it, don't stop, pause. The responsible thing for you to do is to do your own due diligence, study. If you're married, talk to your spouse. Maybe they could see things that you could not see. Talk to people around you that are more competent about it. And if you're not still sure, even if you've talked to people around you, then don't invest at all. At the end of the day, it's your hard-earned money. It's your responsibility. And I've been saying this every time, that you can still build wealth the right way by learning the process, loving the process, and building the skills in order for you to grow wealth. And the reason why I'm making this video is so that months from now, years from now, should there be another scam that will emerge and then you seeds already of what a scam is already planted in you, I hope it causes you not to fall into it. There's so many people that have lost money from scams already, and I hope that for the 270,000 subscribed to this channel, that you guys won't fall into it. And aside from that, you become ambassadors for change, that you actually tell people, you actually educate them the right way, that what they're getting their money into is not something that's legitimate, it's not something that's good. And I guess I'll just end it with that. If it's always too good to be true, maybe it is. Maybe it's not really a legit and sound investment. So that's it for now. I hope that this was something that's insightful for all of you. For resources on legit investments, check it out below. If you want to invest in the cryptocurrency markets legitly, check out Binance as an exchange. If you want to use a hardware wallet, check out Elipal. They're legit. For US stocks, $1 go trade. Links are in the description below. And for the Forex market, XM, they give you $30 when you sign up with them that you could actually use as you start your trading journey in the Forex markets. If you want to join our Stock Smart course, it's happening this weekend. Links are in the description below, where we talk about technical analysis and how you can buy, sell stocks and cryptos using technical analysis via analyzing them from support and resistance techniques. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.